Alright, you guys, welcome back to day 2 of the Silvia, trying to get it running and back on the road. Hopefully this weekend. We've got Jacob here today, back again, just like the last video. He's just going to be awkward again every time I point the camera at him, but I need one of these, the last one in the fridge, and we're going to start on the suspension right now. So I was messing with the rear camber arm because for some reason when I try and adjust the camber on the passenger side of the car, it's not like the wheel doesn't move at all. So I took the arm off, everything seemed fine, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I'm going to throw that back in. And then the plug straight 6 imports just dropped off these brand new ISR tow arms for the rear, because I don't know if you guys can tell or not, you probably won't be able to tell, but the wheels are extremely towed in. Oh yeah, you can tell. So the camera's straight right now. They're hella towed in, so we're gonna grab these bad boys and pull it out a little more. So that's what's gonna be next. It's just stock arms in there right now. And I thought I was gonna have all adjustable arms after this, but I still have the tension arms that are still stock, so hopefully those will get replaced one day. But this should be an easy job. This will be quick. 2 bolts, swap the arm out and shorten it. But I'm just reinstalling the camber arm for now. And then, yeah, we'll move on to the tow arms. Jacob's probably going to be the cameraman for a little bit.
Giving you some annexity?
Yeah. Alright, let me just get a sip of this first. I was up late.
Oh, waste man.
I would if there wasn't just fucking paint all over the ground. I feel a lot. Oh, it just spit. I feel alive. Where's my gloves? My dad, every time he comes over, he's like, yo, I picked you up some gloves. I have like fucking 10 pairs.
The same ones?
Yeah, just gray or black. They're always, and I have an orange pair over there too, if you want to be really safe. But okay, this is going to be the boring part, so we're not even going to bother filming because it's dark and it's lame and it's just me turning bolts. But I'm going to get the camera arm in, and then the tow arm, we're just going to pop these 2 bolts out, throw in the new ones. And if you're wondering, people, always go with the bent tow arms if you're low, because it creates more clearance for your subframe, so when your suspension is moving, your tow arms don't smash your subframe, which can happen. And then your straight tow arms will go bent anyway, so it doesn't matter. Alright guys, so if your part doesn't fit, please don't take a grinding disc to it or a zip disc to it. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Like what? What? I don't know who did that or why, but it's a good thing we've got this. Peep those fancy ISR arms.
Bro, it's fucking dangerous.
Oh yeah, there's no jack stands.
Fuck.
I'm just chilling. My bad. That's it. Oh, what? How?
What?
How did it get lower? Bruh. Side the fender now. What about the other side? What the fuck? Dog. I mean, this looks cool as hell. That was my original goal, but like, that's fucking dirt nasty. Think about it, there's a 1.5 inch piece of wood under the wheel, so I wouldn't have a lot of I don't know how that happened. Can they see out of the happy face? Can you see it?
Like it's fucking...
I don't give a fuck about the rear fitment anymore. My garage is so uneven. That's probably why it's like messing with the fitment. What are you doing?
Showing the uneven garage.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna move on to the front now. Both of my wheels, when my steering wheel is straight, both the front wheels are towed out. So I'm gonna crawl under there and just like shorten the tie rods a little bit. And then our alignment should be good enough to drive without any issues. And I'll do a quick bolt check up front, and we'll do the headlights next. Alright guys, we messed with the tie rods, and now there's not nearly as much of a wonky alignment going on here in the front. I think we adjusted it. Yeah, I think we did adjust it a little too much, maybe. Maybe not. The steering wheel keeps moving. Anyway, it's definitely better. She's set up nice. And what's... I don't know what that was. What does it sound like? It's a V6.
Sounded like a fucking twin turbo 5-liter Mustang.
What? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna put the other LED headlight bar in, Shouldn't be too hard now that we did. Those fuckers always rip, man. That's gonna be me in this thing, but oh man, that fitment's nice in the back. We'll throw the seat in. We'll throw the driver's seat in right now. It is a little dirty. This is the seat, but we don't have time to bring it to the car wash this time. I just want to throw it in. It's a little gross, but that's okay. But I don't know if I have hardware, so we'll figure that out. And now we're here!
Okay.
Oh, I got dirt in my eye that flew off of my sleeve. Been dreaming about this moment, now we're here, because it's the first line of the song.
Walked in at the wrong time.
Look at the threads. It hit perfectly sideways. Oh man. I'm a motherfucking savage. That's in. Just gotta get my nut off.
Your coolant is overflowing.
Oh fuck, I need to turn my fan on.
That was the exhaust.
Oh.
It made a nice mark in the cement.
Okay. Let me pull back. I want to see this thing like outside.
It just looks crazy.
Oh shit. What? Dude, I want to see it from the back, how wide it is. First time being outside with it. Dude. It's warm in here. Let me turn on the AC. Never mind, it doesn't work. My steering wheel is not straight.
This is sick.
Should I go hard park in front of the house?
Yeah. How hyped are you?
I don't know, I feel
I'm
weird.
pretty fucking hyped.
Let's see, it's lost.
Just flicking up everything, man.
They're sticky ass tires, man. Dude, check the radius on this.
This is not bad at all.
So this side, the driver's side skirt is not on. The front bumper's obviously not on. The other headlight's not on, but it's we won't look at it from this side. This is where I wish we had your gimbal. Because I wouldn't mind some like slick shots of it. Imagine this thing on the track, just hot blowing it up, sliding sideways. Yeah, I don't know. You can't get any good shots of this with this lens on. I would have to go get either the lens that your dad gave me or the other one that he gave me. Who owns the camera, me or your dad?
I don't know anymore.
Oh, what's up, bro? And yes, I did just pull it up the driveway without scraping anything.
Oh shit.
Are you proud of me yet, Father? Are you proud of me, Papa Perp? Just kidding. So I know it doesn't seem like we're that excited, but we're super stoked. We were just off camera, like, I don't know, I just can't believe it's moving. Yeah, but I don't know, man. This is crazy. I need to put this side skirt on. We need to do the headlight, and I need an air filter for my intake if I don't want to worry about like shit getting in the intake and blowing my motor. And yeah, we need to put the sunroof on, but that's not like a must just to drive it. We realized that we didn't put the front bumper on when we were pulling it around, and we should have, just to make it look more complete. But I'm thinking we'll get more shots of it for sure this weekend. It's only Saturday. We have a whole kind of like long weekend planned out of fucking around with this thing. We should get some photos of the G and this thing together.
Oh my god.
Some dank fitment. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else to say, boys. It's in the garage, not the same way that it was. Dude.
No.
Yes. This is my scrapey, boys. That's my bumper. That's my exhaust. What is this? Was this pulling in?
This is your exhaust.
Did I scrape? It didn't sound like I scraped pulling in. What is this? This isn't my car.
No.
No, that's spray paint. Whew. Damn, boys. Man, I did not think I'd ever see this front end fully together. Holy shit. Wow. You guys can't see it on the camera, but that's what it looks like in person. Like the stripes in the headlight looks so fucking gnarly. It's insane. I'm just staring at it right now, sitting in my driveway. There's no good spot to park it for you guys to show it off. I am gonna pull it out front, do the best I can to show it, but it is extremely dusty, and it's obviously not plated, so I can't keep it out there too long. But I'm gonna clean up the garage, kind of clean up everything that I was using today, and then we'll be good. And then I can pull the car out maybe around front and show you guys. I can show you the flake though. The flake is pretty crazy. It's super dusty, unfortunately. So
This moment, now we here. Told them we would be on, but they ain't never saw it. Friends came and went, disappeared. Ghost them all, cut them off, we don't really need them. Like, where the hell were you when I was broke? 6 months a year, I'm on the road. Lately, I just rather be alone, cause I can't trust nobody. Tell that chick I gotta go. No one I can trust, so I did it on my own. I ain't sleeping, probably be the reason that I'm on. Homie, tell me gotta go and get it till it's gone, cause I could die tomorrow. Fuck it, music living on.
alright you guys, that's it for today's video. This has been a long time coming, and I know you guys are probably just as excited as I am. The Silvia is finally done. It's technically drivable, but whether or not I drive her this year, we'll see. If you do want to see me drive it this year, smash that like button, hit the sub button if you're new to the channel, and check out this build series, because this has been about just over a year's worth of work done on this thing. And yeah, you're looking at basically the end result right here. There's a little odds and ends here and there, but we won't worry about that. But yeah, smash the like, hit the sub, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We got something exciting for you that I'm actually going to be filming partially today and this weekend. So yeah, stick around and you'll see what's next. Thank you so much for watching.